Ladies, gentlemen, omnics, and hamsters, we come to you today with news of dramatic events taking place in the district of Kanezaka. After years of rising tensions between the Shimada clan and the Hashimoto clan, the Shimada clan has begun an attack to claim the territory of Kanezaka from the Hashimoto. While it is true the town once belonged to the Shimadas, their operation has not been clean. Many reports of injured civilians have come in, striking fear into the hearts of residents in the area. In times like these, one might wonder what would happen if Overwatch were still around.